Hello everyone! Did you want materials so realistic they look like photographs? We heard your requests. The benefits of ultra-high floor plans for real estate sales. Every detail matters in real estate. The visual perception of a property plays a key role for buyers. At Getfloorplan, we offer ultra-high resolution floor plans that significantly enhance appeal and speed up sales. Exceptional detail. Our floor plans provide incredible detail, allowing buyers to better understand the advantages of your property. This makes furniture, sunlight, and cozy corners more noticeable and attractive. Realistic perception. Buyers see the property as if they were inside, making the decision to purchase easier. We aim to make your properties look as realistic as possible. Luxury approach. Ultra-high resolution floor plans look professional and attractive, boosting client trust and speeding up sales. This is especially important for properties that need to stand out among many other listings on the market. You can use the ready visualizations in your presentations and advertisements. How to place an order. Leave a comment on the website. Write your wishes in the comment section, and we will contact you to clarify the details. Reply email. Indicate that you want a high-quality floor plan, and we will inform you about all the conditions. Email us your request. Write to us at customerservice@getfloorplan.com with your request. Getfloorplan, your key to successful real estate sales. Use the promo code GETSTART on your first order and get a 35% discount. Subscribe to our channel, enable notifications so you don't miss anything important. See you in the next video.